The push to extend Mnangagwa's rule beyond 2028 is not only unconstitutional, it is a desperate, idiotic attempt by political hangers on to preserve their relevance in a post-Mnangagwa era. Nzanda mna mashoko akapangwa ino arikukriticize aiwa nawo ekuti mutungamiri wenyika atonge beyond 2028 rubo subscribe like on the bell icon. Chimda paendo chipo msarurwa a popular critic with ZANU-PF amdanyira chiti. The constitution is clear, not the term. Zimbabwe's 2013 constitution explicitly limits the presidency to 2 5-year terms. Any attempt to amend this provision to benefit the sitting president is prohibited by Section 328(7), which bars incumbents from profiting from term limit changes. Mnangagwa himself has publicly stated that elections will be held in 2028, signaling his exit. So why are some desperate, incompetent politicians still pushing the 2030 agenda? Here is the real motive, political survival behind. This campaign is not about national interest, it's about self-preservation. As the Mnangagwa loyalists, many of whom rose through patronage rather than merit, know that their political careers will collapse once he steps down. Figures like Daniel Garu, Tatenda Mavetera, John Baraza, and Mnyaradzi Machacha have openly declared that elections will not take place, a statement that reeks of authoritarian ambition. Their desperation is matched only by their lack of respect for constitutional order. These are not visionaries, they are opportunists clinging to power through sycophants and fear. Vice President Chiwenga, long seen as President Mnangagwa was a natural successor, has remained firm in his belief that leadership must transition according to the law. His faction within ZANU-PF has resisted the desperate third-term push, and the recent confrontations, including demands for accountability over looted billions by Mnangagwa's allies, show that General Chiwenga is ready to lead. The military war veterans and constitutionalists are increasingly rallying behind General Chiwenga, not out of blind loyalty, but because he represents a return to order, discipline, and lawful governance. Ndo mashoko aripo panguva ino alinyatso kunoka kunzi the unrest iripo aiwa mu ZANU-PF panguva ino yazonyanyisa. Mutodzera mafungiro enyu moti kudii pamusoro pe-this 2030 plan iri kuiswa panapa nezvikananda. Pinda comment section medu mafungiro enyu, subscribe or like, chat on the bell.